Next, we are going to take the trigger bar off the frame. This one's pretty simple. There's a spring here. I don't know if you can see that. You simply slip your screwdriver in there, pull it down, push this hook out, up, and then here is the leg of the other of the spring. You pull it up and over. You should be able to get it out. Perfect. And then, in order to finish removing the trigger bar, there's the trigger. The trigger spring holds the bar in place. So what you want to do is, I don't know if you guys can see the leg for the trigger spring. You simply push down and over off the trigger bar. It's kind of, you see, it's kind of hard to see, at least from my angle, so you're gonna have to forgive me, but simply move the spring over away from the trigger bar. Okay, let's see. Let me switch to a different tool. It's kind of a, you kind of need two hands for this, but I'm going to try my best to get that out of the way. And then from there, the trigger bar should just pop loose. So I'm going to use my tool and see if I can grab it. Or lose it. Let's try this again. Sorry guys. I'm going to switch to a thinner tool. This is where the X-Acto knife is kind of helpful. So I'm going to use a screwdriver to move that leg, and then I'm going to hold it just like that. And then I'm going to use the razor to get in here. Let's see if I can move it. Yep, there it goes. Just move it out of the frame. There you go. Success. Alright. Trigger bar is out. Now you can move your screwdriver out of the way. And that's how you remove the trigger bar on a P88 compact.